Choose the quantity you need, then undo operations in reverse order.
Sunlight filters through a coastal tide pool, illuminating a complex, self-contained world. Understanding the mechanics of this environment requires us to shift our focus, isolating specific movements from the surrounding habitat. Mathematical formulas function in much the same way, defining the rigid and constant relationships between different physical quantities. Often, the specific measurement we need to analyze is nested deep within one of these established structures. Rearranging a formula highlights a quantity of interest by using the same reasoning we use to solve equations. Consider the physical space as the turtle navigates between two parallel coral shelves. This narrow corridor provides a clear example of defining a two-dimensional area using length and width. Area equals length times width. Knowing the total area and the length of the shelf, we can determine the exact width of the passage. If length is greater than 0, divide both sides by length. Width equals area divided by length. The turtle catches a steady current, sweeping smoothly across the pool. This traversal is defined by the relationship between speed, distance, and time elapsed. Distance equals rate times time. To find the exact duration of this crossing, we must isolate the time variable. If rate is greater than 0, divide both sides by rate. Time equals distance divided by rate. Here, the turtle purposefully traces the rocky outer perimeter of a shallow pool. Mapping this continuous boundary involves an additive relationship between the different sides of the pool. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. Isolating a single dimension in this multi-step equation requires undoing operations in a strict sequence. Subtract 2 times width from both sides, then divide by 2. Length equals the quantity perimeter minus 2 times width divided by 2. The turtle descends through a cylindrical shaft of light, moving into a three-dimensional space representing a specific volume defined by radius and depth. Volume equals pi times radius squared times height. To determine the precise height of this shaft, we treat the other variables as a single unit to be moved. If radius is not 0, divide both sides by pi times radius squared. Height equals volume divided by pi times radius squared. Multiplying by pi times radius squared recovers the original formula. The turtle glides through the full expanse of the tide pool, having traversed every dimension of its habitat. By treating variables with the same logical consistency as known numbers, we gain the ability to look at any system from a new perspective. Isolate the quantity of interest by undoing operations in reverse order, and check by substituting or multiplying back.
Tela divides by length. Width equals area divided by length.